how to create or open Threads app account. First of all, head over to Google Play Store and search for Threads on Instagram. Once you find it, download and install the app here. I have already installed it on my device, so I will just go and open the app. Threads is directly linked with the Instagram, so if you already have an Instagram account, you can sign in using your Instagram credentials. If not, you will need to create one first. Here, I'm already signed in with my Instagram account, so it's showing me the option to log in directly with the Instagram. So now I'm prompted to create my Threads account, so I can choose if I want my profile to be public or private. So in this case, I'll click on public, just continue, so I can customize my Threads account if I want to follow people from my Instagram. So I'll follow them all, click on join Threads. Now we can start connecting there, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.